Welcome back to Bloome Calm Home. Is your bathroom feeling a bit sterile, cold, or even like a hospital? Today, we are going to fix that. I will show you how to inject warmth and Zen vibes into your bathroom using the beautiful principles of Japandi design and styling. Most bathrooms are filled with hard, cold surfaces like tile and porcelain. The secret to Japandi style is introducing soft elements to create balance. We want to transform this functional space into a private spa where you can wash away the stresses of the entire day. Start with wood accents. If you can't change your vanity, add a teak bath mat or a wooden stool. Wood brings an immediate organic warmth that counters the coldness of white tiles. The contrast between the sleek ceramic and the raw grain of wood is the essence of Japandi. Let's upgrade your textiles. Throw away mismatched or old towels. Invest in high-quality waffle-knit cotton or linen towels in earth tones like sand, charcoal, or moss green. Hanging them on a simple wooden ladder adds height and a beautiful, tactile texture to the room. Lighting is often overlooked in bathrooms. Most have harsh, blue-toned lights. Swap them for warm spectrum bulbs. If you can, add a small, battery-operated lamp on the counter for evening baths. Soft, low lighting instantly changes the mood from clinical to cozy. Storage should be hidden, but beautiful. Use seagrass or rattan baskets to organize your products. In Japandi, we hide the noise of plastic packaging. By decanting your soaps into ceramic or amber glass bottles, you create a cohesive, high-end look that calms the eyes. Are you ready to turn your bathroom into a spa? If you love these cozy transformation tips, make sure to subscribe to Bloome Calm Home. We post new videos every week to help you style a more restorative life. Now, let's talk about the power of greenery in humid spaces. Bathrooms are perfect for humidity-loving plants. A hanging fern or a tall snake plant can thrive here. Greenery adds a burst of life and color against a neutral palette. It makes the space feel lived in and connected to nature, which is vital for a Zen atmosphere. Notice the shapes you are using. If your bathroom has lots of straight lines, introduce a round mirror or a curved soap dish. These soft shapes break up the rigidity of the room. It's a subtle design trick that makes the environment feel much more inviting and less stiff. Scent is a powerful tool for a Zen bathroom. Use a stone tray to hold a candle with notes of cedarwood or hinoki. These forest scents are deeply grounding. Lighting a candle during your morning routine can turn a mundane task into a mindful ritual of self-care. Minimalist decor is key. Don't over-decorate. A single, beautiful stalk of eucalyptus in a glass vase is enough. In Japandi, every item should have breathing room. This ma, or negative space allows your mind to rest and prevents the bathroom from feeling cluttered. Consider your hardware. If you have the budget, swapping chrome faucets for matte black or brushed gold can add a modern Japandi edge. It's a small change that has a huge visual impact, making the room feel curated and expensive without a full, costly renovation. Think about the ritual of your space. A small wooden tray across the tub can hold a book or a cup of tea. By styling for the experience of the room rather than just the look, you make the cozy vibe authentic. It becomes a place you actually want to spend time in. Don't forget the floor. A plush, neutral rug can make a world of difference. Choose a material that feels good under bare feet. Moving from cold tile to a soft rug is a physical transition that reinforces the feeling of comfort and care you are building in your home. Look at the transformation. By adding wood, soft lighting, and natural textures, you've turned a cold, hospital bathroom into a warm, Japandi sanctuary. It's now a place of restoration, where you can begin and end your day in a state of total, blissful calm. Thank you for watching /. Which of these tips will you try in your bathroom first? Let me know in the comments. For more Japandi styling ideas, check out our video on living room transformations. Create your sanctuary, and I will see you in the next video here at Bloome Calm Home.